Hey friends, it's time for another episode of my junk ass barbecue. Here I'm just getting some things prepped up. It's 5:31 p.m. Excuse me. Got some banana peppers, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the banana peppers in a T, and then we remove the seed pods. And some of these are mild, and some of these are what we call Hungarian hot wax, and I did get these peppers fresh from my dad's garden. So we're going to let them soak in water. I got all the seed pods removed here, and I'm going to let them soak in water for about an hour. What that is going to do for us is go ahead and reduce the heat content level of some of the Hungarian hot wax. This little curvy guy right here, that's just a standard sweet banana pepper. But we're going to let those soak in water. Probably put a plate on top, put a little more water in there, but we're going to let them soak and try to get some of the heat out of them. Alright friends, I'm back here with you. Just made up this stuffing that we're going to put in the peppers here. Looks like we got a pound of pre-cooked sausage, and it looks like the wife, when she cooked it, threw a little onions in there. That's going to be delicious. That is farm fresh sausage packaged, ready to go. And over here in this bowl, we have a half cup of Parmesan cheese, grated, that's in the bottom. Followed up by about a cup of Ritz crackers crushed finely. If you use about a half a pack, that makes a nice crush there. We're going to bulk up the old mixture. I got about a tablespoon, or 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and I got 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, and then I got a pinch of parsley, and about a half to a pound of mozzarella cheese, but I only put about a half pound in, and then a half a cup of olive oil on top. So we're going to get this all forked up here with the old, standard fork here. I'll mix it around good, get all the seasonings and crackers and everything mushed together and in there, and then we're going to put it with the sausage. Got the mixture all mixed up here. That's a nice consistency. Now we're going to add it with the sausage to our main mixing bowl here. I'm just going to dump it out. I may need to put the phone down for a hot minute to get all that out of there. A little bit, but we're going to go ahead and add the sausage. We're going to get it mixed up, and that's working well. And we'll pause the video here, and I'll get the rest of this in here, and then we'll mix it all up and get the peppers stuffed. So we got the mixture all mixed up here, and we got the banana peppers drained and sliced. They're ready to go, and we're ready to get stuffing. I'm going to get them stuffed, get them on the old foil here, because that's what we're going to cook them on. And we are just going to give the foil just a slight drizzle with olive oil here to prevent any sort of sticking that we may encounter on the grill. Hey friends, back here with ya. I got the peppers all stuffed, and would you just look at this lineup? Oh baby, so the whole mixture emptied out, and this is approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pretty good sized banana peppers. As you can see, I went ahead and finished off popping the tops off of the some of them, and that just goes back in how I sliced them, but they're all stuffed to the max, and we're ready to grab a drink and light the grill. And let's see what I got over here to choose from. Ooh, gee, I don't know. I got some straight bourbon here. Ballantines, blended scotch. But I think tonight I'm feeling the old Glenlivet 12-year. Give that a whirl. Gonna get my drink, get the outside, get the fire lit. Hey friends, just a little heads up. If you want to try to get into your Glenlivet and you're just using your bare fingers, this little guy right here, slice your ass. So now I got to go get this bandage here after I get the old grill lit. Look at that. Should have been wearing some PPE. Yeah, pretty cool shit. Hey friends, outside here, getting the old grill prepped up here. Today, we're going to use the old Weber cheapo charcoal junk ass barbecue. Gonna get her all lit up. Got my old Glenlivet 12-year-old Mmm. Very tasty. Mmm. No ice needed, just drink it. Scotch. Scotch, 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 scotch. Scotch. Oh yeah. Alright friends, as I learned the last time, it's best to use a small amount of hardwood lump charcoal. As you can see, I was able to reclaim some of the pieces from the last episode. We're going to use the old junk ass lighter to get her lit. That doesn't look very promising. Well, it is apparent that my junk ass lighter is pretty junk ass right now. I'm going to head inside and find something else. Alright, take two on trying to light this guy. Found one of these handy dandy Bic standard lighters. We got flame. We're going to get an old light here. Oh yeah. Get it going here. Get this thing all flaming. And we're going to let the lighter fluid burn off. And then we're going to let the coals get white hot. And then we're going to put on some chicken. And some stuffed peppers. And who knows, potentially some hot dogs for the girls. Shocking! As you notice here, friends, look at the charcoal smashed down. There's a couple big chunks there that need to be grayed up a little bit, but I got it kind of off to one side. I like to keep the heat on one side or the other. That way, when I put the lid on, I can slow it down a little bit. And we're going to throw the old grate on here and shut the lid. Get her burn up, scrubbed up there. So I got the old chicken and peppers on here, and we're going to shut her up. I got the chicken over direct heat, and peppers over indirect heat, and we're going to get them cooking here. I just gave the chicken the first flip, and the wife made up some extra marinade. So I'm using the old basting fork right there with the excess marinade. Now this marinade did not touch the raw chicken, so we're safe to use it to baste. So I gave the chicken their first flip. And went ahead and basted there to add a little more flavor to the old chicken. Also put a little bit of it on the peppers. I figure maybe that'll caramelize a little bit, but those are coming along nicely. I might have to do some heat switcheroonies here in a minute. So I get the old peppers here. I already took the chicken off because it didn't take near as long, but I'm leaving the peppers on there for as long as I possibly can. Let them cook up here. Coming along nicely. They look pretty delicious. Obviously we got some juices down here on the old aluminum foil. I'm going to take them off here, put them on the old air dry sheet there to take them in the house so I don't get burnt. And we're going to enjoy them. So, thanks for joining me on another episode of Junk Ass Barbecue. Be sure to like my Facebook page and give me a like and subscribe on YouTube. Without your likes, I guess I can't get the word out. But, you know, gonna go inside and enjoy some chicken and some banana peppers. I kind of gave up on the corn idea. I know I posted earlier about it. But by the time I got all that meat and everything stuffed in the peppers, it's gonna be a lot of food. So we're gonna conserve and save some for the other day. So here, south of Funk, Ohio, Jared Sigler signing off. Junk Ass Barbecue, whatever the hell episode this is. Peace out.